Over the years here on Oklahoma Gardening, we've done a lot of different plant segments, and those segments usually contain really critical information about that plant's form and habit, the environment that it prefers to grow in, as well as pest and disease problems that you might encounter with growing that plant. Well, this is valuable information that you can still continue to find on YouTube, but we also thought it would be valuable information for people that are visiting Oklahoma Gardens. Thanks to the Oklahoma Department of Agriculture Specialty Crop Block Grant that we recently received, we are now able to provide that information to 10 partner gardens that we have established across the state. When you visit these gardens, we have placed out signs like the one you can see here behind me on certain plants. What we did was we talked with those gardens about particular plants that were of interest to visitors during different seasons, and then we paired those plants with videos that we had available that we filmed over the last several years. Now you can see a lot of the signs, they look very similar to this. They just say discover more here, and they have our Oklahoma Gardening logo on there with a QR code. While the signs all look the same, each one of those QR codes are very unique and will direct you to information and a video about that plant that it's placed by.
So we're happy to partner with Oklahoma Gardening to be able to get QR code signs out on some of our plants, basically because it's a much more interactive way for our visitors to experience the gardens. And then also it's just a way to get more information out. So a lot of people like to just enjoy the beauty of the gardens, and we love that, but some guests are also looking for a little bit more information, and so this is one of the ways to do that.
So we're really excited about the QR codes because a lot of them are in parts of our garden that are accessible when the park is open but the garden is closed. And so guests can get more information from those QR codes that is not only specific to the plant they're looking at, but also to the Oklahoma area.
The botanical gardens love this because not only does it provide them with more educational content for the visitors, but the visitors are also getting a more fulfilling informational experience as they walk through those gardens as well. This does not change anything that we're doing weekly here on OETA and on our television show Oklahoma Gardening. We just wanted to be able to continue to use that content to people who might be out in the garden. So look for us out in those gardens across Oklahoma by simply pulling out your phone and snapping that QR code, and Oklahoma Gardening will be right there to tell you about that plant. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.